All right, well, how do you change your theme or your background? Because there's got to be some ways to get creative on your own. So how we do that is we go in, we're going to click on our More button, and down here it says Manage Site. So you're going to click on the Manage Site button. What pops up is basically, this is the backbone to your Google site. The site or the page that shows up is basically your website, and it gives you lots of options. You can see that the title of your website is right here, and this is done as Googled up. If you saw that you had maybe misspelled a word or something, you could change it here. The problem is, once your site is created, so if you had put goggled up, once your site is created, that becomes your URL. That becomes your web address for your website. So even if you change your site name, it's not going to change the URL or the web address that was created with your site. Anyways, if you kind of scroll down a little bit, you could add some more information about your website. And you can see that the landing page, that's your home page, and right now that's your I Love Google page. You could change that if you wanted to. And this is where, say you created the site that you wanted to delete, you just didn't want that website anymore, this is where you would come. So if you scroll down right here, it says delete this site. You would click that button to delete your site. Now, if you're going to permanently delete it, that's another thing, but alright, so to change your site, over here on your left you have your navigation bar. Scroll down to the bottom and you'll see that it says themes. If you click on themes, here are all the possible themes that you can use. Now, some people have noticed that it says browse more themes. That is something that you can check out, but pretty much the more themes are themes that people have created. So sometimes when they create their themes, they also create the website, and they already add sidebars and different pages, and then you just fill them in. So I don't know that you necessarily want to do that. You could create just a, or go back to your test site and try that. And here it says build your own custom theme. So you could mess around with that and see what happens. Remember, you can always get back to your original stuff. But if you want the themes that are already created, you can just choose them here. You can preview them. Say I want to check out Desert Panel. I click on it, click on preview, and what comes up is just the preview. This is what my website would look like with that. You can't do anything on this page. It's just like a picture. Okay, so then you X out of that box and you could try a different one. So I don't want to change my theme at all. So I want to go back into Manage Site. The other thing that you can do is here where it says Colors and Fonts. If you click on Colors and Fonts down here by Themes, you can possibly go in and change some of your stuff. So you can see page background color, page image color. If I click on it, right now it's using the theme default. You could go to none and notice how it got rid of some of the green there. Or you could do a custom and say I want to do this red color. Notice how it changes that page background there. But I'm going to go back to the default theme, but this is where you could change a lot of stuff here. Site, title font size, title colors, background, gadgets, all different types of things. You can change their colors and really kind of mess or finesse or create your website how you want it to be. On your site layout, if you click site layout down here, there are some things that you can do here. We know that this is the old stuff. This is the old style that's going away soon. But one thing that you can do is right here where it says header, it says you can change the logo. So if you click change logo, right now it's a picture that Team Eureka created. You could find your own picture and use that as your logo. So you would go to custom logo and attach a file. So choose a file. But these are pictures that are on your computer. So if you're using a picture from the internet, you would have to save that picture from the internet on your computer and then upload it here.